The business landscape is evolving at an unprecedented pace. We're living in an era where technological innovations are redefining the way we do business, from artificial intelligence to virtual reality, blockchain to e-commerce. The year 2024 is no exception, with trends shaping up to redefine the future of entrepreneurship. We're seeing the rise of tech-based ventures, the focus on sustainability and eco-friendly businesses, the boom in the health and wellness niche, and innovations shaking up the world of e-commerce. Remote work solutions are becoming increasingly critical, while educational technology is transforming the way we learn. The personal finance and investment sector has seen the emergence of new platforms, and the food and beverage industry is brimming with innovations. There's a surge in blockchain and cryptocurrency-based businesses, and the travel and adventure services are adapting to the new normal. Even our homes and lifestyles are getting an upgrade. In this video, we will explore some of the most exciting business ideas for 2024. Technology continues to revolutionize how we conduct business. Imagine having an AI-driven personal assistant, one that not only manages your schedule but also predicts your needs, making your day-to-day life more efficient and organized. Now think about the vast possibilities in the world of virtual reality content creation. With the advancements in VR technology, we have the ability to create immersive experiences that can transport users to different worlds, right from their living rooms. Tech-based ventures like these are not just fantasies anymore, they're becoming our reality in 2024. The potential for innovation is immense, and the opportunities are boundless. But to truly harness the power of technology, you need to be in the know. Stay on the cutting edge by exploring emerging tech trends on platforms like TechCrunch, Wired, or CB Insights. These resources can provide valuable insights into the future of tech, helping you to identify and capitalize on new business opportunities. Sustainability is more than a trend, it's a necessity. As we navigate through the 24th year of the 21st century, businesses are stepping up to the plate, innovating to create solutions that are not only profitable, but also kind to our planet. Imagine a world where your favorite products come in zero-waste packaging. That's no longer a flight of fancy. Companies today are developing packaging solutions that leave no trace behind, marrying convenience with consciousness. And let's talk fashion. The clothing industry is notorious for its environmental footprint, but sustainable fashion brands are changing the game. They're championing ethical sourcing, reducing waste, and creating stylish, high-quality garments that don't cost the earth, literally. These are just a couple of examples. There's a world of sustainable business ideas out there, waiting to be discovered and developed. Want to learn more? Make sure to check out websites like Sustainable Brands or GreenBiz. They're a treasure trove of inspiration for the eco-conscious entrepreneur. The health and wellness industry is booming with opportunities. As people become more health-conscious, the demand for services that cater to their well-being is on the rise. For instance, online fitness coaching has gained significant traction. It offers convenience, allowing clients to exercise from the comfort of their homes, guided by professional trainers via digital platforms. Another exciting venture in the health and wellness space is the development of mental health apps. Recognizing that mental health is just as important as physical health, these apps provide resources for meditation, stress management, and even therapy sessions with licensed professionals. Both these ideas capitalize on the current trend of digitalization, while addressing the growing focus on health and wellness. But these are just examples. There's a world full of possibilities out there. For more insights into health and wellness trends, platforms like Healthline or Wellness Mama are great resources to explore. E-commerce is continually evolving, offering unique business opportunities. As we delve into the realm of e-commerce innovations, it's clear that the landscape is ripe for new ideas. Imagine a world where your monthly shopping arrives in a niche subscription box, tailored to your specific needs and tastes. From gourmet foods to craft supplies, the opportunities are endless. In the same vein, personalization is taking center stage. More and more, consumers are seeking shopping experiences that feel like they've been crafted just for them. This trend is pushing businesses to think outside the box, creating platforms that offer bespoke product recommendations and personalized customer journeys. So, if you're considering a venture in e-commerce, remember that the future is in personalization and niche markets. And to stay ahead of the curve, keep an eye on e-commerce trends on Shopify's blog or e-commerce platforms. The future of work is remote, and this shift offers numerous business opportunities. With the rise in telecommuting, there's been a surge in the need for solutions that make remote work easier and more efficient. Take virtual team-building services, for instance. These businesses provide online activities designed to foster team cohesion and morale, a crucial aspect of a productive remote work environment. They use interactive games, virtual escape rooms, and online workshops to create engaging and memorable experiences for remote teams. Then there's remote project management tools. These platforms are designed to make collaboration seamless, regardless of where team members are located. They offer features like task assignment, progress tracking, and real-time communication, making it easier to manage projects and ensure everyone is on the same page. These are but a few examples. The remote work landscape is evolving rapidly, creating a myriad of opportunities for innovative solutions. Stay updated on remote work trends through websites like remote.co or FlexJobs. Education technology is a promising field for innovative business ideas. In an era where learning is not confined to the four walls of a classroom, technology is playing a pivotal role in shaping the future of education. Consider, for instance, AI-driven tutoring platforms. These ingenious solutions leverage artificial intelligence to deliver personalized learning experiences tailored to each student's unique needs and pace. They're like having a private tutor available round the clock, at the click of a button. Another fascinating trend is interactive learning apps. These platforms transform traditional learning methods by introducing gamification, virtual reality, and other interactive elements. They make education fun and engaging, which in turn enhances the learning process. Whether it's a language learning app that feels like a game or a science app that lets you explore the universe, the possibilities are endless. If you're intrigued by the potential of educational technology, explore trends on websites like EdSurge or eLearning Industry. It's an exciting time to be part of this growing field. Personal finance and investment platforms are increasingly in demand. As the world continues to digitize, the need for accessible, user-friendly financial tools grows. One such example is micro-investment apps. These platforms allow users to invest small amounts of money, often spare change, into diversified portfolios. Micro-investing is a fantastic way for beginners to dip their toes into the world of investing without risking large sums of money. On the other side of the coin, we have financial literacy courses. These courses provide invaluable knowledge on managing personal finances, understanding investment strategies, and navigating the complex world of taxes and retirement planning. They're an excellent resource for anyone looking to take control of their financial future, from young adults just starting out to seasoned professionals seeking to expand their financial knowledge. In the vast sea of finance, it's crucial to stay informed. Resources like The Motley Fool or Investopedia offer a wealth of information to keep you afloat and help you make sound financial decisions. The food and beverage industry is ripe for innovation. As consumer tastes evolve, new opportunities are emerging for entrepreneurs to shake up the market. One such area seeing significant growth is plant-based food startups. With a rising number of people choosing to follow vegetarian and vegan diets, the demand for plant-based alternatives to meat, dairy, and other food products is soaring. And it isn't just about catering to dietary preferences. These businesses are also contributing to a more sustainable food system by reducing the environmental impact of food production. Another exciting area of innovation is in specialty food delivery services. These businesses are reimagining the way we access and enjoy food, delivering everything from gourmet meals to exotic ingredients right to our doorsteps. They're not just providing convenience, but also a unique culinary experience that consumers are craving. Discover food industry trends on websites like Food Business News or Food Navigator. Blockchain and cryptocurrency are reshaping the business landscape. These technologies are not just about Bitcoin or digital money, they're creating new avenues for innovation and growth. Let's take blockchain-based supply chain solutions, for instance. They're revolutionizing the way we track and verify the journey of a product, from the manufacturer to the consumer. This transparency can truly enhance trust in businesses. Then there's the emergence of decentralized finance or DeFi apps. Imagine bypassing traditional banking systems, with peer-to-peer transactions that are fast, secure, and free from central authority control. These apps are democratizing financial services, opening up opportunities for individuals and businesses alike. But let's not forget, with great potential comes great responsibility. The volatile nature of cryptocurrencies and the complex technicalities of blockchain demand a thorough understanding before diving into these ventures. So, if you're intrigued, start your journey with resources like CoinDesk or Cointelegraph. They'll keep you informed about the latest blockchain trends. Travel and adventure services are adapting to new realities. The landscape is shifting with innovative concepts like virtual travel experiences taking center stage. These offer explorers the chance to wander around global hotspots from the comfort of their own homes. Additionally, sustainable tourism initiatives are gaining traction. Tour operators are rolling out eco-conscious itineraries, creating travel experiences that nurture, not harm, our beautiful planet. So if you've got wanderlust and a business mind, explore travel trends on platforms like Skift or Travel Weekly. Home and lifestyle enhancements offer a wide range of business possibilities. Consider the growth potential in smart home consulting, where you can help people navigate the complex world of connected devices. Or, tap into the green wave with eco-friendly home improvement services, providing solutions that are not only beautiful, but also kind to our planet. The opportunities are endless, and the future is bright. Stay updated on home and lifestyle trends through sites like House or Dwell.